So I'm gonna give you guys a update about where I'm at with the SVO. I've been taking it apart and not taking videos and then realizing how far I really am with it. So I'm gonna show you exactly where I am with it. So first things first, the alternator. I took it out. Now this alternator, the battery light comes on every now and then. The battery is probably bad too, but I was gonna replace both of them anyways because this alternator is old and that battery is a Walmart battery. Cool thing about the alternator though is this is a 3G alternator. I don't know what car it came off of. So I ordered the SVE conversion kit off of LMR. So that's on the way. So to get that all handled, then along with doing that, I realized I didn't need battery cables, so I made my own. I made the bottom end of this one, top end came like that. So I made my own battery cables. That was pretty easy. Just then I want to show you guys another thing. I took out the fuel rail and the injectors so I could replace this ECT sensor. Now, if you notice, these injectors are the 35-pound injector brown tops. What's cool about this is that these didn't come until the 85.5 and 86 models. Now, I don't know if someone's swapped out the stuff, but my car does have the 86 headlights when it's at 85, and now it has a 35-pound brown top injectors. The LA3 computer swaps are pretty common with these, so I don't know if that's from the owner or this is actually 85.5, but I got these out. I'm gonna be spraying carb cleaner through them and cleaning them out. They were disgusting. I had to spray them with purple power and clean them up. So I'm gonna hit the inside with some carb cleaner and hopefully that'll fix some of the rough idle issue that I have. Then on top of that, I had a distributor cap put away. I bought one because I was gonna replace it anyways. When I took this one off, I realized that this one has a hole. I've never taken a 4-cylinder distributor cap off, but I could probably guarantee that they don't come with holes in them. Probably burn through the coil. So I'm waiting on the alternator, all the stuff to clean this, intake gasket, and that is about it for now. I also have this right here, the brake master cylinder. I'm gonna be replacing that. I'm gonna be doing that later, so you guys will probably see a video on it. But yeah, that's about where I'm at with the car right now. As for the interior, I have most of the parts, the interior pieces painted black. I just have to do these quarter panel pieces. After that, it's just cleaning up the floorboards, getting them to look like this all around, and then throwing all black carpet in, taking these off, painting them black, and then getting the inside looking real good just after I get it running right. So I'm just focused on it idling correctly, running good, not having anything major wrong with it. So then when I actually do put all the interior in and get it looking nice inside, it'll be enjoyable to drive. So other thing, this hood, I like this hood. It's awesome. And I don't want to get rid of it. The only issue is that it has some rust right here. It's actually, I think it's gone through. So I got to find a way to either repair that or find out what I'm going to do, because I don't want to get rid of this. It looks awesome, and I don't really want to put a fiberglass one on there just because it's not original. I want to kind of keep the car original,